bring everything over, all right? Bring everything to one side. Yes?
So, in this specific case, is it not all right to make that assumption, though, that it's non-zero? Since we're already dealing with a fraction over both.
Well, you can make that assumption because x can't be 0 and y can't be 0 in this problem because x and y, well, they're in the denominator up here, so 0, 0 is not in the domain of the original function. But I don't want to get into the habit of ever dividing by a variable because then it'll catch up to you at some point, and it's better to just move everything over and factor. We're about to get those solutions. So look at this right here. I'm out of time. Greatest common factor, okay? Greatest common factor. So they both have an x squared. They both have a y squared. And if I factor out, I get x squared minus y squared. So that's just a GCF, right? Pull x squared out of both of those, you're left with x squared. Pull y squared out of both of those, you're left with nothing here and y squared there, right? Y'all see that? We got to go. But now we have x squared, y squared, and then that's the difference of squares, x plus y, x minus y equals 0. And now you can set each of these equal to 0, and you get here 0 for x. Here y is 0. Here x is equal to negative y. And here x is equal to y, and I can't finish the problem because I'm out of time. But these we can throw away because x and y cannot be 0, right? Because then you divide by 0. These are not in the domain of the original function, so I'm just going to ignore these. So now what I'd have to do is go back to either one of these equations. And here I could replace x with negative y and then solve that equation. And then I have to do it again, replacing x with y and solve that. Once you find y, you go back and get x, and then you have your points. So I will leave that to you. This is the one I usually offer for bonus. I'll put it right here. Feel free, up to you. That one right there. There's another one in the notes I didn't get a chance to do. Let's say Wednesday, like I said, we're going to do some sort of video. We're not going to do class because I'm going to be in jury duty. I don't know what video I'm going to do yet. I might do Lagrange, but I think I might wait and do the second half of this section. I don't know. I'm going to think about it. But you can at least finish your homework, get your mini exam, that other one going. Start getting all your homework together in your mind. We have a midterm next week, right? So start putting it all together. Yeah.
Is it okay if you can give us, like, I know that you're giving us more.
I'm going to give you some sort of outline for what to expect on that review. You should expect that in the next 24 hours.